going to tell four major things which is important for our coding. First, string is a thing where is a name is noted. Integer is a thing where we will write any number which is important like age. Weight is float because it is now float means which is floating on water or sinking. Like that only, weight is important for floating. Next, boolean. It is tell which is true or false. That's why in the last we got true. Now, age in input enter your age. After that, if age is greater than 18, print you are eligible for vote. Independent 4 spaces. Else print you are not eligible to vote. Independent 4 spaces. Now we will show again how this works. First I will write my age. Now I will write 20. Go. Now it will tell you are eligible for vote. But if you run again, you will again write, you can write your age. Now I am writing 11, which is smaller than 18. So it will show you are not eligible to vote. Next, for in range 5, print I. These come under integers. Count 0 while 5 greater than 5. Print count plus 1. These are also come under integers. Now it is again important coding. Different grid name. Print hello to name. Now I will greet Shashank, greet Mahesh, greet Pranav. Now it will show hello Shashank, hello Mahesh, hello Pranav. Now I will again execute the coding. Now you can see I can also change this name as Shiva. Okay, let's again do this. Now it will show hello Shashank, hello Shiva, and hello Pranav. Next, name Shashank. For this, let's take another class, but I will show how to make this coding. Name Shashank, print name capitalize, print name upper, print name space, And after this full coding, I'll get result like this. Next, fruits mango. We have fruits such as mango, custard apple, strawberry and banana. Fruits appended orange. Print fruits pop. Fruits print fruit is equal to fruits copy. Print fruit print fruits count mango, fruits extend orange, watermelon, dragon fruit. Now it will show the answer. This is the main coding of our episodes. I will show this in next episode because it will show mm, mathematical operations based on the upper coding. This coding will be used for our progress because if you get less than 50, I'll show once wait. Yes, let's go. Give your name first. Next, if from here you should know very well. From here. Because if you got average equal to 75 or more than 75, you should get excellent. Or if average is equal to 50 or less than 50, performance is equal to good. Else, performance is less than 50 needs improvement. So we should code so we should code these all because the first one is name, after that grades, after that average grade, highest grade, least grade, performance. So I will again show you. Come on. Now I will run this code. Now it will ask my name. I will write my name. So let's click on go. How many subjects? I have give 7 subjects. In first subject I got 96. Next I got 78. Next I got 89. Next in fourth subject I got 50. In next subject I got 30. These are some examples. After that I got again 99. After that 100. For example I am giving these, but you can write your marks which you got in your exams. So enter grade subject 1 96, next 95. So you can see and the grades of mine. So after this we have the last video, and please subscribe. I am very requesting because we have so many less subscribers, and you should support me for more interesting videos. Thank you.